We're finally at Dave's Hot Chicken, one of the most hyped fried chicken franchises in the US. I've been wanting to go here for a long time and now we're finally here. And here we got the very famous Reaper fried chicken tender sandwich. So it's a chicken tender, California Reaper hot sauce on, some of the Dave's sauce, pickles, some coleslaw on there. What the guys told me is that it's gonna be super spicy. We had to sign a waiver to get this burger. But also that I should take some honey, put it into the sauce, mix it up, and put it on the burger. So there we go. Beautiful piece of fried chicken. Came across the world for this. And here we go. Before the spice hits, I just gotta say, chicken is good. It is really good. Really good. It's spicy. It's building. Really good to have the Dave sauce with the honey. I really like it. Spicy. Not that spicy yet, but now it's coming, yes. Okay.
They stick to it.
Yes, I can feel it. Oh, fuck me. Fuck. Woo! Yeah. Where did that come from?
Yeah.
Where did that come from? Okay. But Dave's Hot Chicken didn't disappoint. Oh, fuck me.
Vad typ Cked?
Ja, men det går som sen.
Spicy.
It was more than kind of spicy. Okay, another day, another chicken. Thank you.